budget is meant to strengthen agriculture and the rural economy. Basically, the focus is to double the farmers' income by 2022. So therefore, I welcome the budget as an agriculture minister. By the next Kharif crop, the minimum support price is going to be 1.5 times the cost of the crop. This is one good announcement. They are focusing on low-cost farming and increasing the selling price. They are also is an announcement for Operation Green, which will be allocated $5 billion, which has 5 billion rupees, which has to be welcome. There is a boost for organic farming, and by utilizing the services of self-help groups. Also clusters for horticulture crops. This is to be welcome. They have announced 42 mega food parks, which is a good announcement. And the Krishi card, which is there now, will be utilized also for animal husbandry and for fisheries, which is also a welcome initiative, especially because this is the core of integrated farming. And 100 billion rupees have been allocated for animal husbandry and fishing, which has to be welcomed. So by and large, as a agriculture minister, I welcome the budget.
गोंयांत कितलो फायदो जातलो?
पळय गोंयांत अशें आहा की गोंयांत थोडे कोर आमी डिसिजनां घेतिल्लीं आहा, पूण थिंग्स हॅव नॉट मूव्ड. थिंग्स हॅव नॉट मूव्ड फॉर व्हरायटी ऑफ रिजन्स. वे आवर ऑर्कीड, to say a floriculture hub, is not moving because the land allocated is now having private forestry. So we'll have to move, and there has to be some sort of interdepartmental coordination to move agriculture. Agriculture is not something which will happen overnight. See, if you want to reduce the cost of coconut, it cannot only happen by giving subsidized coconut. You will have to solve the problem. The problem is that you will have to increase the productivity, the yield of the coconut, and see that the price gets reduced. To do that, you can introduce high-yielding hybrid varieties. But it will not happen overnight. It will take 5 years, 6 years at least. So to do this, there has to be interdepartmental coordination, and there has to be a focus that food dependency on anybody else is the end of Goa. So we have to eat as much as we produce. And if we are not having production, then we need to produce. For which, from the government side, we are going in for contract farming, community farming initiative. All those things we are doing. But by and large, other departments also need to cooperate. We have now thought of forming a task force for a coordination between agriculture and water resource department, and to categorize the state into areas where there is agriculture and there is no water. Other categories where there is no agriculture but there is water. And third is where there is no agriculture and there is no water. So that way we will be able to focus, get water to the farmer. Once water comes, everything else comes. So this is what we are trying to work on. But we need more cooperation, more support from the government, especially other departments.